What if your kitchen did the work for you and still looked luxurious? These 33 genius Amazon gadgets make cooking effortless, and gadget number 9 feels like something from the future. Cook for the whole family with the Dash family-size skillet. Featuring a spacious 6-quart capacity and 14-inch non-stick surface, it's perfect for large meals. The tempered glass lid and cool touch handles ensure safe, easy cooking, versatile and convenient for any kitchen. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 7 hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or omelets with ease. Featuring auto shutoff, an alarm, a 16-recipe booklet, and a sleek charcoal gray design. Fast, convenient, and foolproof. Cook and serve multiple dishes at once with the Amazon Basics Triple Slow Cooker. Featuring 3 2.5-quart pots with ceramic nonstick coating, it offers easy cooking and cleanup. Adjustable temperature controls keep food perfectly warm. Ideal for parties, buffets, and family gatherings. Bring the fun of Korean barbecue home with the Techwood Raclette Grill. Featuring a removable 2-in-1 nonstick grill plate, 8 cheese melt pans, and 1500 W fast heating, it's perfect for grilling meats, veggies, and melting cheese. Ideal for parties and family gatherings. Interactive, delicious, and easy to use. Cook faster anywhere with the Cuisinart 1800 W double burner hot plate. Featuring powerful ceramic infrared heating and dual controls, it heats up in seconds and works with all cookware. Compact, portable, and perfect for home, dorms, or extra cooking space. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200 W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Enjoy sweet moments with the electric chocolate fondue pot set. With a 4-cup capacity, 4 trays, 5 forks, and a spatula, it's perfect for dipping chocolate, cheese, or treats. Ideal for couples, family, date nights, housewarming, or holidays, fun, delicious, and easy to use. Make cleaning easy anywhere with this 2.98-gallon collapsible dish basin. Designed with a drain plug for quick water release, it's perfect for washing dishes, camping, or outdoor use. Foldable, portable, and space-saving, ideal for kitchens, RVs, and travel. Cook cleaner and faster with the CleanSnap Everyday Electric Griddle. Featuring a 20-inch nonstick surface, 1700 W fast heating, and a foldable anti-mess shield to reduce splatter. With a removable, dishwasher-safe plate, it makes cooking and cleanup effortless every time. Cook smarter with the Ninja Crispy Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer. With up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit power, it air fries, bakes, roasts, and more for perfectly crispy results every time. Featuring durable, non-toxic glass containers in 6 QT and 2.5 QT sizes, it's microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making healthy cooking easier than ever. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Fohere 3-in-1 waffle maker sandwich press. With 1200 W power, it easily makes waffles, sandwiches, and paninis. The removable non-stick plates ensure quick cleanup, while 5-gear temperature control gives perfect results every time. With handy indicator lights and a sleek red design, it's your all-in-one kitchen companion. Make perfect rotis in seconds with the Starblue 10-inch roti maker. This powerful 1200 W electric press features a non-stick stainless steel surface for easy cooking and cleaning. Comes with a free roti warmer and removable handle, ideal for soft chapati, tortillas, and more every day. Fry your favorites at home with the Cuisinart electric deep fryer. Featuring a 2.5L capacity and powerful 1500 W heating, it delivers crispy results fast. With adjustable temperature and timer, plus a viewing lid and odor filter. Easy, clean, and delicious every time. Keep your kitchen organized with the XIYO 20 pounds grain dispenser. Featuring a 360 degrees rotating design and 6 separate grids, it lets you store and access rice, beans, cereal, and more with ease. The sealed lid keeps food fresh, while the large capacity is perfect for busy homes. Clean, convenient, and space-saving storage made simple. Blend like a pro with the Tiger Smoothie Blender. Featuring a powerful diagonal blade design, it effortlessly crushes ice and creates smoothies, milkshakes, soups, sauces, and even matcha. Fast, smooth, and versatile, it's your all-in-one solution for delicious drinks and meals every day. Cook big meals with ease using the Sun Vivi Roaster Oven. This 26-quart roaster handles up to a 30 pounds turkey and features a viewing lid for easy monitoring. With defrost and warm functions, plus a removable pan and rack, it's perfect for delicious, hassle-free cooking every time. Make breading and frying easy with the Cook with Color Collapsible Batter Bowl. Perfect for fried fish, chicken, wings, onion rings, and more. Mess-free design, collapsible for easy storage, and convenient for quick, tasty meals every time. Cook smarter with the TiferSync 8 Cutie AI Smart Air Fryer. This 9-in-1 XL air fryer features a built-in wireless meat thermometer for perfect results every time. With a 450 degrees Fahrenheit max, non-toxic ceramic coating, and space for a 6 pounds chicken, powerful, quiet, and dishwasher safe. Upgrade your prep with this meat tenderizer attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Featuring 3 adjustable thickness settings, it tenderizes and cubes meat quickly and evenly. The transparent cover adds safety, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup easy, perfect for faster, better cooking every time. Refresh and care for yourself with the Yoni Steam Kit. This all-in-one set includes an intelligent steam seat with a soft cushion and 20 herbal steam bags for a soothing at-home experience. Designed to support feminine hygiene, comfort, and relaxation. Perfect for self-care, postpartum recovery, and monthly wellness routines. Toast your favorites perfectly every time with this 4-slice toaster. Featuring 1.5-inch wide slots, 6 browning levels, and settings for 6 bread types. With touchscreen controls, digital timer, memory, defrost, and reheat functions, it's smart, fast, and convenient for any breakfast. Create authentic injera and pancakes with this 18.5-inch electric injera maker. Designed with a large non-stick surface, even heating, and an adjustable knob for precise control. Easy to clean and comes with a lid, perfect for delicious homemade results every time. Maximize small spaces with this slim 3-tier storage cabinet. Its narrow, movable design fits perfectly in tight spots, offering convenient storage for bathrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. Keep essentials organized and within reach while adding a clean, space-saving touch to any room. Meet the Effortless Stand Mixer, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 2 stainless steel bowls, 8.5 cutie plus 6 cutie, it's perfect for any batch size. This 7-in-1 multifunction mixer handles everything from dough and batter to meat grinding, pasta, and cookies. Powerful, versatile, and sleek in black. Upgrade your kitchen game with Effortless today. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. Create crispy, fluffy waffle bowls perfect for fruits, ice cream, or savory fillings. Compact, easy to use, and quick to clean, make every meal more creative and delicious. Elevate your kitchen with the FYGO Diamond Luxe Olive Oil Dispenser Set. Each 350 milliliters glass bottle comes with a pourer and funnel for precise, mess-free pouring. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or dressings, this stylish 2-piece set combines functionality and elegance for everyday cooking and serving. Open cans effortlessly with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Just press a button for smooth, hands-free operation that leaves safe, clean edges. Battery-operated and easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen tool for quick, hassle-free cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with this 7-piece Japanese-style knife set. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for sharp, precise cutting, it comes with a foldable magnetic acacia wood block for stylish storage. Featuring anti-slip handles, perfect for everyday cooking and a great gift idea. Keep your homemade goods fresh with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Fully automatic and compatible with all regular and wide-mouth mason jars, it seals jars airtight to preserve canned foods, sauces, and pantry staples. Sleek black design makes it easy, efficient, and essential for every kitchen. Start your day with the Nostalgia 3 in one breakfast station. Brew coffee, cook on the non-stick griddle, and toast in the 4-slice oven, all at once. With a built-in timer and retro red design, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for quick, delicious mornings. Create healthy, delicious meals with the Aurocomb Vegetable Spiralizer. Featuring 4 built-in blades, it easily turns veggies into perfect noodles and spirals. Ideal for zucchini, carrots, and more, it's quick, easy, and perfect for making fresh, low-carb dishes at home. Cook your favorites with ease using the Dash Deluxe Everyday Griddle. Featuring a removable non-stick plate for quick cleaning, even heating, and an anti-slip base for stability. Perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more, plus a recipe book to inspire delicious meals every day. Clean your food the smarter way with the Cutinum Fruit and Vegetable Purifier. Using advanced OH ion purification technology, it removes dirt and impurities from fruits, veggies, meat, and seafood. Compact and easy to use, it ensures safer, fresher meals every time. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic non-stick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Make healthy snacks fast with the Dash Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Cook up to 4 delicious egg bites at once, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts or quick bites. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact, non-slip design fits any kitchen. Quick, simple, and tasty every time. Enjoy your favorite drinks with ease using this 3L electric kettle beverage dispenser. Brew tea or coffee with the built-in infuser, control the temperature to perfection, and serve effortlessly with the convenient spigot. Stylish glass design, perfect for home or office. Hot or cold drinks made simple. Make perfect eggs every time with the Tetchef frittata and omelette pan. This non-stick, double-sided folding design lets you flip with ease for fluffy omelets and frittatas. PFOA-free and made in Korea. Quick, mess-free, and perfect for everyday cooking. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Organize your kitchen with the Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Make mealtime simple with the Cook with Color 2 Cutie Mini Slow Cooker. With adjustable settings, a removable stoneware pot, and a tempered glass lid, it delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. Dishwasher safe and designed with cool touch handles, it's compact, stylish, and perfect for everyday cooking. Bake fresh bread at home with the Naretva 20 in 1 bread maker. Featuring a 2 lb capacity, dual heaters for even baking, and a non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. With a 15-hour timer, keep warm function, and low-noise design, it's perfect for effortless, delicious homemade bread every day. Simplify cooking with the Utensil Stir, the unique automatic pan stirrer. It stirs sauces, soups, and stews evenly, freeing your hands for multitasking. Featuring an LED speed indicator, it's perfect for precise, effortless cooking, making meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Cook smarter with this 12 Cutie Large Dual Air Fryer. Featuring 2 6 Cutie baskets, sync cook function, and a full touchscreen panel, it lets you prepare 2 dishes at once with perfect timing. Non-stick, dishwasher safe, and with a viewing window. Easy, fast, and healthier cooking made simple. Cook anywhere with the Ovent electric countertop single burner. With 1000 W power, a durable 6-inch stainless steel coil, and 5-level temperature control, it's perfect for quick meals. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for small spaces, dorms, or travel cooking. Cook with style using this 4L glass cooking pot with a heart-shaped lid. Heat-resistant and highly efficient, it ensures even cooking while reducing energy use. Safe for oven, gas, and electric stoves. Perfect for soups, pasta, and more, with easy dishwasher cleanup. Grill anywhere with the Techwood electric barbecue grill. This 1600W indoor-outdoor grill features adjustable heat, a double-layer design, and a removable stand for easy use. With a drip tray and dust cover included, it's perfect for parties, patios, and backyard cooking. Cook healthy meals effortlessly with the Mano Steamer Pot. This 11.8-inch, two-tier stainless steel steamer lets you prepare vegetables, dumplings, and more at the same time. Durable, versatile, and easy to use. Perfect for everyday cooking with delicious, nutritious results. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the Utopia Stormore Bakeware Rack. Featuring adjustable steel dividers, it neatly stores pans and lids for easy access. Compact, customizable, and perfect for clutter-free cabinets. Cook perfect rice in minutes with the Joseph M Cuisine microwave rice cooker. This 2-liter capacity steamer makes fluffy rice effortlessly in your microwave. Designed for convenience with easy handling and mess-free cooking, ideal for quick, everyday meals. Cook perfect eggs and omelets with this ceramic egg frying pan. Non-stick and induction compatible, it holds up to 4 eggs and features a detachable handle for easy storage and serving. Comes with a lid to lock in heat and moisture. Durable, convenient, and stylish in blue for everyday cooking. Cook cozy meals with the Sunvivi 2-quart slow cooker. Perfect for small portions, it features 3 heat settings for easy, controlled cooking. The removable ceramic pot and dishwasher-safe glass lid make cleanup simple, compact, convenient, and ideal for everyday home cooking. Cook perfect baked potatoes in minutes with the Yummy-Can Potato Microwave Cooker. As seen on TV, it steams spuds to tender, fluffy perfection right in your microwave. Dishwasher-safe, clear design makes cooking simple, quick, and mess-free. Ideal for holidays, gifts, or everyday meals. Upgrade your sink with the Forius Kitchen Faucet. Featuring a sleek brushed nickel finish, high-arc design, and pull-down sprayer for maximum flexibility. The single-handle control makes temperature and flow easy to adjust, perfect for kitchens, RVs, laundry rooms, and more. Durable, stylish, and built for everyday use. Cook more in less time with this 20-inch XL indoor grill electric griddle. Powered by 1800W, it delivers even heat for pancakes, eggs, and more. The non-stick surface, adjustable temperature, and drip tray make cooking and cleanup quick and effortless. Upgrade your drink station with the Want Join Fructose dispenser. This commercial-grade 8L machine features 16 precise weight settings for accurate syrup dispensing every time. Perfect for bubble tea and beverages, it includes a measuring cup and mixing stick, fast, efficient, and consistent for busy kitchens or shops. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks, your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential. Keep your fridge neat and efficient with the automatic rolling egg storage organizer. This space-saving holder neatly stores up to 28 eggs and automatically rolls them forward for easy access. Perfect for refrigerators, cabinets, or countertops. Its sleek white design keeps your kitchen organized and hassle-free every day. Cook with clarity using this 1.5L borosilicate glass cooking pot. Perfect for pasta, noodles, soup, or milk, it lets you watch your food as it cooks. Heat-resistant and stovetop safe, it includes a lid and brush for easy use and cleaning. Simple, stylish, and practical for everyday cooking.